So how was your, you post the potatoes out to people, is that quite busy this year again?
Oh, aye, we're still busy over the Easter weekend. For it's a wee bit later. We're still I wouldn't have been out this morning, but I was packing potatoes on the line this morning.
Right.
We're just about ran out now of varieties. We're just about down to the last quarter of a bag, out of a ton and a quarter bag of stuff, maybe
Right,
3 or 4
right.
varieties left. That's it, they're all sold, gone. The rest's all for our own planting.
How many acres are you planting this year?
We've got this field and the field at Ploughing to do. This will all be high grade. There's maybe 6 varieties at Longtown that they're still a good grade. There'll be an S or a field generation 3 anyway, which is still good, but I like my FG0, FG1s growing separately for the sake of aphids and virus. Getting into them. I mean, I'll probably not fill all this field with seed. Just see how we go.
When you're going to be coming across the way rather long ways.
Short ways makes it easier roguing, because we have to hand rogue them all. We'll go through the field probably twice, maybe 3 times roguing. So to walk the full length of that, carrying the bags, it's a backbreaker. Where the short ways, much easier. There's maybe a lot of turning with the machinery, but I would rather sit in the seat turning a short way than humping a 25 kilo or 30 kilo bag.
So is that your barley in there?
Yeah, that's our field anyway.
Right.
That's
the Blackheath Lees, you call this farm?
yeah, Blackheath Lees. Yeah. That field will be going for whole cropping.
So what happens to your whole crop? Do we sell it?
It's a crop that's farm just over there, back of the distillery.
Right.
Purchases it, the Gillilands. He takes it and he puts muck and slurry on.
You scratch my back and I'll scratch yours.
Yeah.
Aye, sweet. Good that still works.
I don't need all the ground.
No.
Not enough between what I've kept here. I've got winter barley here, and I've a lot at Longtown to do. And if it's a bad year, you wish you hadn't bothered. You know what I mean? There's many acres. On a good year, it's not a problem. We've had more bad years than good years.
So they're peeweeds, just taking off.
Yeah, they've got a wee nest. I think they're nesting in that top field.
Right.
There might be a nest. Bad to see.
It used to be when you're rolling the grass that you got these eggs
shift in the nest and put it on the ploughing once you go by. That's if you see the eggs. If you don't see the eggs, well, just sweep it.
There's certainly a lot less of them than what there was.
I think the seagulls and the corbie crows all, if the nest's vacant, they'll just go with the eggs.
Just go with the eggs.
The seagulls certainly do. I've seen them going with the eggs.
I seen my son had something in about them, the corbies, and that's why they're not as many, because there's probably a lot of these bloody corbies around and rooks or whatever you want to call them.
Magpies.
I just didn't know if I'd catch you tomorrow or not, so I said I'll nip up the now and get you.
We've not actually got that much left.
Time you get finished tonight?
Just the end, maybe. We'll see. Either go on and finish it tonight or finish it in the morning.
And there's another day coming tomorrow, so hopefully anyway.